welcome to my channel Karma Verma Readings. Today I'll be guiding you all with my guidance deck which I've made and from different tarot card readers and people who have made the tarot card readers or healers who have made these decks. So I've combined it and made it mine, and I'll be taking out one tarot card for all the signs. So let's start with Aries. Let's see what do Aries need to know. A lot of love in your current life right now. Someone is in a very in a love situation. A lot of love pouring in from your partner or whoever is a water sign. Could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And yeah, you both have equal love for each other. Someone really loves you, Aries. Uh, Congratulations, everybody loves everybody. And yeah, could be your partner or your current boyfriend or your spouse. Let's see what the angels need to tell you all. Seven deadly sins, humanity's destructive traits. I'll put this card here. Seven deadly sins, humanity's destructive traits. I would suggest that you Google this and you shall get your answer. You need to be aware of this and not get indulged in this. Is the message here. Aries. Let's see what do Taurus need to hear. Guidance for Taurus. I just shuffled it. Going into the guardian angels, what do Taurus need to know? Going into the guardian angels, what do Taurus need to know? Wow. We got the Two of Cups and Lovers together. Isn't it amazing? Look at this beautiful card. The Two of Cups and the Lovers together is a blessing. Uh, I see you had given your heart to somebody who was very deceptive with this energy. I see you had given your heart to someone with the moon card here, and they were very deceptive with you, and it led you to a heartbreak, Taurus. But I do see that there's love coming on your way. Somebody you're gonna meet someone soon in 8 months or 8 weeks or 8 days. This is the timeless reading, and it'll be a true love. Could be in 5 6 months. 6 weeks, yeah, 6 weeks. In 6 weeks, you might meet somebody. Um, 6 weeks from now, or could be anytime when you're watching this video. Congratulations! Wow, what a beautiful card for Taurus. The lovers and Two of Cups together. Yeah, be careful with the unhealthy attachment. It will lead you to unhealthy attachment. Be independent, free, and try to make healthy boundaries. Let's see what do angels need to tell you all. Angels, guardian angels, message for Taurus. Celebration, let go and have fun. Yeah, if you have been through an heartbreak, it's telling you to let go and have fun with this celebration energy. You need to let go of the past and have fun, because nothing. If you hold on something too tight, it's not gonna help you. You need to release it for it to come to you naturally. Yeah, Taurus. Take care, have fun, and yeah, be in this energy of let go and enjoy. Go with the life flow. How water flows. How everything flows it with nature, and with how let it allow it to come to you. Let's see what the Geminis need to know. Yeah. Angels, guardian angels. What do Gemini need to know? Angels, guardian angels. What do Gemini need to know? Angels, guardian angels. Message for Gemini. What do Gemini need to know? Angels, guardian angels, what do Gemini need to know? Okay. Uh, I see you left out in the cold in regards of money or a love situation. With this Knight of Pentacles, and things were moving very slowly, Geminis, and you have been left out in the cold. Could be in terms of finance or love. 50-50 is the scene, what I'm scenario. There have been a lot of fights and heartbreak in this situation, love or finances. Inner struggles is also what I'm seeing here. But you need some healing period for yourself, so your dreams can come true. And do not escape this healing. Work on yourself and be the best lover for yourself. Walk away from things what no longer serve you, and be this queen of pentacle energy, giving all that love, caring, and support to yourself. Yes. Yeah, lot of nice cards for Gemini. There's a period of healing for you all. Let's see what do angels and spirit guides and the universe needs to tell you. Message for Geminis, angels, spirit guides. What do Geminis need to know? Knowledge. Seek knowledge. Maybe get a new course. Start something new to learn is also a message here. Knowledge. Seek knowledge. There's an energy of you need to learn something more. Keep learning, and keep learning is the answer here. Um, yeah, humans have this tendency of not seeking more knowledge. They think they know it all, but till your last breath on this planet Earth, you need to keep on learning, because till the end you keep on learning, right? So yeah, and remember this: you are blessed. Yeah, thank you, Gemini. That's all I have for you. Let's get ahead with Cancerians. What do Cancerians need to know? Angels, guardian angels. What do Cancerians need to know? Woo! Flyer. We've got the star card. Wow. Some dreams coming true for you all, Cancerians. Some dreams coming true for you all. Okay. If you feel like your dreams are not coming true, it is coming true. Believe in it. Have faith. Faith is the answer to all your questions. Faith can bring you miracles. Faith can bring you love. Faith can bring you magic. Yeah, have faith. Keep the hope alive, and you shall succeed in whatever you're wishing. It's a wish come true card. Let's see what do angels need to tell you all, and universe and spirit guides. Angels are in angels. What do you need to? These guides can say into what they need to. Your card is right. Yeah. Confrontation. Pick your battles wisely. You need to pick your battles wisely, so that you don't get into involved in somebody else's struggle as well. You need to be your own warrior first. You need to be your own em- emperor to build your own empire first. You need to protect your own surrounding first. kind of energy. You need to protect your energy, your own kingdom first. And moving forward, also we've got, it says get ready for positive change. So you need to get ready for this change and have a positive outlook in life. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys, Cancerians. Let's see what do Leos need to. Yeah, yeah. Let's see what do Leos need to know. Angels, guardian, angel, spirit guides. What do Leos need to know? Angels, guardian, angels, spirit guides. What do Leos need to know? Ten of Cups, beautiful energy. All your family wise, everything is going to be perfect. Family life is going to be perfect. Emotionally, you'll be very fulfilled throughout uh, the time. A lot of happiness coming in. Some might get married, some might have children. I even see a family vacation. Mm, I see you guys are protected by the angels and gods with the purple light. Yes. And angels are also protecting you. Leos is also the message I'm getting. Angels and universe and God. Specifically, an angel is protecting you. I'm forgetting the name. I'm so sorry. With its purple light, you're protected. You need to know that. Angels are telling you you're protected. Let's see what do Leos need to know. Angels, guardian angel protected. Happy ending, yeah. See, with that whole ten of cup, if it's a love situation, you need to know it's going to be a happy ending in terms of with both of your families. Will agree, and there'll be a happy ending in this love situation or anything which you need to know. I just saw 1212. You can Google the meaning of it, Leos, and just type angel number, significance of angel number 1212. And there's one more card which says butterfly. Celebrate the power of you. So yeah, the whole rainbow energy, I do see like a lot of happiness, abundance, transformation coming in your home life, your love life, and emotionally even in your work life. Thank you, angels, for guiding Leo. Let's see what do Virgos need to know. Message for Virgos. Message for Virgos, angels. What do Virgos need to know? King of Cups. Somebody's coming with like to you with a love offer, or you are going to somebody with a love offer. There's some love coming in your way, or you are going to someone with a love offer. See how it resonates with you all. And if you need to express your feelings to somebody, it is a very kind message to go ahead and do it, because time waits for no one and nobody waits for no one in this world. If you need to express your love to somebody, you need to go ahead and do it, because yeah, now is the time. Now is the time to tell how you feel. Now is the time to express your heart's desires, and express your feelings. Like now or never energy is also what I'm getting. It's now or never. If you don't know, if you don't tell them how you feel, they would never know. Yeah, let's see what do need to know. I got three cards for you all. 4, 5, 8. I'll just take three. You've got the power again. Wow. Virgos on in their energy of I've got the power. You've got the power. Animal bond. Stand up for all the animals. Maybe if you guys want to be humanitarians and want to work for animals, it's a message to go ahead and do that. And be volunteers, work for animals, open an NGO, go feed them. If you see anybody on the street, you need to help them. Kind of energy. And the last one, vacation. Take time for relaxation and adventure. Yeah, some vacation for you guys if you guys are working too much, or there is a vacation coming soon on your way with the family, friends, or your loved one. That's all I have for you, Virgos. Let's see what do Librans need to know. Angels, guardian angels, what do Librans need to know? Angels, guardian angels, what do, yeah, Eight of Wands. Somebody, some good news is coming your way. Something which you broke is coming back to you. Interesting. Energies, Librans. Yeah. Something you broke is coming back to you. Because I see this thing like, even these down represents arrow and everything, yeah, these things, and uh, these things out there, it's also like if you see these things coming in, it's also a message that something which you think is dead is coming to you, Librans. Very interesting energy, you know what it is. Could be love life or work life or a friend. Let's see what the Librans need to know. Oh, got like lot of messages. Yeah, again a happy ending. I think it could be regarding your love life or your work life. With those Eight of Wands, I do see a happy ending for you all. Letting go, learn to let go. Maybe when you let go of the situation, it will come to you naturally. Is also a message here. Children, know that your children are protected. For some, if you guys have children, you should know that they are protected and they are safe. Librans. Your twin flame is near, drawing each other close. Oh, with the I even like with that Eight of Wands, I did see like a runner chaser thing. Like when you think it's over, they're coming back to you. So your twin flame is near, drawing each other closer. So Librans, you could be drawing your twin flame closer. And the last one we have the owl. Follow your intuition. So with this owl card, you need to know that you're very wise and you need to follow your intuition. Uh, and be look at the situation at a very wise way and not with your heart. Yeah, something like that. Be very wise in the situation. That's all I have for you, Librans. Let's get going with Scorpions. Let's see what do Scorpions need to know. Angels, guardian angels. What does Scorpion need to know? Angels, guardian angels. What does Scorpion need to know? Angels, guardian angels. What does Scorpion. I see Ten of Pentacles, a happy family, abundant family with in front of you all. You guys could hit a jackpot or build a house, buy a new property, buy a car, something about buying and building it together with the help of someone. Interesting. Ten of Pentacles. You need to work hard on your. You need to work hard on your money and save. Do savings is also a message here, Scorpions. And yeah, overall very happy, abundant energy in terms of family and family life, and even as an individual and being independent. Wow. Let's see what do angels need to tell you all. Angels, guardian angels, what do you need to tell Scorpions? Angels, guardian angels, what do you need to tell Scorpions? Angels, guardian angels. Okay. Angels, guardian angels, Scorpions. Angels, guardian angels, what do you need to tell Scorpions? First card we have here is Your twin flame is near, drawing each other close. So yeah, with the Ten of Pentacles, it could be like you want to family with a person who is your twin flame, and it says your twin flame is near, drawing each other close. So you guys are attracting each other subconsciously or consciously, which is amazing. And yeah, keep doing that. You're manifesting this Ten of Pentacles with them or something like that. Letting go, learn to let go. So you need to let go of the situation and let God to, take the baton and get ahead with this, because it's clearly not helping you. You need to work on yourself, like I said, and do the buying and working on your money and saving things, and building a firm foundation with the stability here with the Ten of Pentacles. And yeah, learn to let go and let God do the things which He needs to do, and work on yourself, of course. Intuition. So yeah, you know something, you know about the situation which you need to release. I saw 21 21 21 12 on the clock. uh, could be a message for some. Just google the meaning of it. Angel number 2112, significance. And yeah, you know something about the situation which your intuition is guiding you. You need to trust it and allow it to guide you towards things, and be very faithful to your intuition, and be trust it. Yeah, trust your intuition and follow it with blind faith is also the message I'm getting here. um, yeah, that's all I have for you, Scorpions. Take care, love you all, and keep shining. Let's see what this Sagittarius needs to know. Angels, guardians, angels, what this Sagittarius needs to know. Angels, guardians, angels, what this Sagittarius. Yeah. Ten of Wands. Sagittarius, something is weighing you down emotionally, financially, with the burdens of the world, and the could be family situation, could be work situation. I'm saying strongly family. You see how it resonates with you. Uh, I'm really sorry. Let's see why is this 10 of Wands here. Yeah, could be regarding family or a love situation. With a strength card here. Something about it. You need to stop being a lion and the king of the jungle, and not take everybody's burden on your head. Be very strong willed, stay calm, and you need to relax, take a deep breath, have some breath meditation breaks, is also what I'm hearing. Like deep breathe in and breathe out. Do it for 5 minutes. It'll really help you to relax. Yeah, you need to let go of this worldly burden of your friends, family, relatives, work, yourself, neighbors. I don't know how many burdens have you taken. You really need to let go of these burdens and focus on yourself for a while. Focus on yourself. Give that love to yourself. Let go of the burdens is also what I'm hearing for you. Let go of it. I just feel that backache right now with how much burden you guys are carrying. Just let go of it. I need to let go of it. I need to focus on myself is the mantra here. ये मंत्र बोलना है आपको. I need to focus on myself. Yeah, and then when you love yourself, things come to you naturally. Things will get resolved naturally. Yeah, that's all I have for you on in tarot. Let's see what guidance you need. What guidance? Angels, what guidance you need to give. Take the leap of faith, dove energy. Be like a bird, free flowing. And you know, doves are so beautiful, white in color, and how they take care of themselves. Take a leap of faith in your life, in your love life, in your work life. Be open to things, talk about it, share with people. Yeah, that's all I have for you, beautiful Sagittarius. Let's see what do Capricorns need to know. Just so the Capricorn, the Capricorn symptoms. Something which you guys are going to receive will bring you, or going to start, will bring you a lot of happiness with this page of pentacles. Something you might receive, or you'll start or give birth to an idea, it will bring you a lot of happiness. And with this sun energy here, I do see a lot of happiness in this situation. uh, it could be a work life, an offer from a partner, a new idea which needs working is also what I'm seeing. It'll get you a lot of happiness. It will be very successful also. If it's an idea which you guys think you need to work on, it will be very successful. Capricorn. Let's see what English into together. Yeah. Celebration. Let go and have fun. Self reliance. Don't be afraid to fly solo. Oh, okay. I get it now. This is about a new business idea or a new startup, new job, which will bring you extreme amount of happiness. You don't have an idea how much it will make you happy, how successful it will be to you, how much it is abundant, how much it is victorious. People will see you as a warrior. It also reminds me of the Six of Wands card right now. And you will shine like the sun. People will look at you in awe, Capricorn. Yeah, take the leap of faith. Your baby is going to be a very victorious thing, whatever you're going to start, uh, or your job. See how it connects with you. Yeah, that's all I have for you, Capricorns. Have a beautiful month ahead, a year ahead, and love yourself and give the love which you give to others to yourself. And yeah, be compassionate with people, and focus on being a good human being. 27, 27 on the clock. Let's see what do Aquarius need to know. Message for Aquarius angels. What do Aquarius need to know? Message oh, what a card. Wow. Marriages ahead. Someone getting married. Who's getting married? Aquarius. Please comment down below. I would congratulations. Do call me in your wedding if you live in the same country or city. And could be some celebration coming in, some party coming in, some housewarming party, some club, buying a new house in a building, rooftop, penthouse. I see a lot of home energy, a lot of family functions, parties. But yeah, this is a marriage card, of course, and Four of Wands, happy home, possible country settled. So congratulations, Aquarius, if you guys are getting married or having a parties. It's amazing, beautiful energy. You guys are going to be abundant in the coming time, or are still. Let's see what. Yeah, choices. Make the best choices. Could be regarding your love situation or your property, and creative wonderment. Follow your passion. Some could be in real estate, realities, something like that. Yeah. So see, make the best choices is the message here for you all. Yeah, and this card, creative wonderment. Follow your passion. Hi Pisces. Let's see what do angels and universe needs to tell you. Let's see what let's see what do universe and the angels need to tell you. Hmm. We got the two cards here. Uh, there's some leap of faith which you want to take currently. and you're stuck about it. There's some leap of faith in terms of career or love, and you're stuck about it, but in your head, yeah, you're stuck in your head. You don't know if you should go ahead or not, and you'll be confused for a while, but you will eventually make a decision, or someone will guide you about this. Yeah, could be about love and marriage, but yeah, it might seem toxic, but it's gonna be lead to marriage. Some unhealthy attachments, but yeah, it'll be all solved and it will lead you to marriage. This four of wands here. I saw triple one on the clock. Just Google Pisces or significance of angel number triple one, and you'll get a divine message from the angels and the universe and spirit guides and guardian angels and archangels. Yes. Be passionate about this new beginning because it will really help you. Yeah, let's see what the uh, guidance we have for you all. Pisces. Yeah, take a leap of faith. And, message for Pisces. 7 deadly human sins. 7 deadly sins. Humanity destructive traits. I'll put that in the comment what it means. I'm sorry, I'm just made it like 2 days back. I don't know exactly what this means. And try to let go of situation so it comes to you naturally. Yeah, with this toxicity energy of clinging onto, you need to let go of this so it comes to you naturally. And yeah, take a leap of faith, let it happen, be in the full energy. Take a leap of faith is also a full energy of just going with the flow and see what comes next. Yes, that's all I have for you, Pisces. Love you all. And please like, share, subscribe my channel, Karma Verma Readings. And yeah, take care, love yourself, and keep shining bright. Bye, take care.